Chica Bonita. We're gonna do a hubby and a wife challenge. We're putting $100 in. Ricky's gonna start, see what he can do with $100. Then I'm gonna play with $100 and see if I can beat him. Whatever he gets, he can cash out at any time, and I gotta beat that. So what do I get if I win? We'll have to think about that.
Yeah, think about that.
How about we get the tickets?
Oh, we're playing for tickets. Okay.
I don't know about that. I have to think about that one. All right, you go first. You're doing all the spins.
All right, I'm playing my style.
Yep. Okay, that would have been a good start. We need 3 chili peppers or 6 of the coins. Come on, 3. I don't know if I'm rooting for you or not. How confident in your ability?
Hold on, let me think about this for a minute.
You want to sit down?
Nope.
All right, Chica's Wild. We're at the Tampa Hard Rock in Tampa, Florida. We're having a good time. It's been a lot of fun.
It's been a good trip so far.
We met a nice couple, Susan and Tom. Some of our longtime fans. We gave them some swag and took them to lunch.
Yep.
It's a good day.
This may be quick.
Oh boy. That's all right. 'Cause I'm gonna win anyway.
Yeah, you might be right. If I don't get a bonus, you will.
3. It's so extremely loud.
That's the advantage of going second.
Yeah, I can cash out at 100.
Exactly.
Put my 100 in and cash out? No, I wouldn't do that. Come on. 3. It's just a rumble in here, like a constant rumble.
All these machines going at the same time.
Yeah. And it's busy in here. This is a big casino. Come on, 2.
Yeah, this may be quick.
Yeah.
Oh,
one,
come on, come on.
one.
Oh my goodness.
3. 1.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Look at all that.
All that nothing.
All that something.
And now I've warmed the machine up on top of that.
Woohoo. Do you want me to change machines back?
Nope.
I can go to the one next door. I told him he could bet any way he wanted to, guys. Oh, I'm going to advantage play you.
You know, big time.
3. 2.
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Yo,
wow.
about time.
Oh, yeah. Gee, that's $100.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I don't think I'm winning this challenge.
Woo!
Holy cow.
Go me.
Lucky Ricky strikes again.
Go Team Ricky.
Oh yeah, I'm moving machines. Look at you. On a $2 bet.
Come on, drop me a word. Drop me a word.
Oh well.
Ooh, I get the trumpets.
That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome.
Read them and weep, honey. Read them and weep. Hold on. Let me savor my brain. Look at that. $3.59. I only had one spin left.
That's nuts. I think he's got a golden horseshoe stuck up his.
Oh, whoa. You can't say that on camera.
I wasn't gonna.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to do a backup spin and I'm taking my money and running.
Oh, that's my money.
Alright, cash me out.
Cash out. I'm moving to the next machine.
Oh, you're going to change machines?
Absolutely, I'm changing
Alright.
machines. Grab me 100. Yep.
There we go.
Alright, look. Wow, let's move machines. Alright guys, we were on that Chica. Now we're on this Chica after he knocked over the camera. I'll try to get it out, but I don't know if I can. Okay, so I put $100 in this one. I'm gonna do the same thing. So where am I going? Let's try this one. 250. He was betting $2. Let's see if I can get a bonus.
It's a little different than mine.
What's my strategy?
You win big money. I win $1.50.
You win $2.
I win $1.50 starting out.
I don't know. I may regret it. It's gonna be hard to beat what you got on a $2 bet. I mean,
Look, I want you to win.
I want me to win too.
Kind of.
Come on. Oh, I forgot. Oh,
Oh, wow. Look at her betting like me.
I didn't mean to. 3, 1.
Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Holy smokes.
$200.
That would have been nice.
Sigh.
I was pulling for you there.
Yeah, sure you were. He wants me to lose. Come on, Chica. Girls rule. We are in this together.
But you know that it makes you realize how hard $100 is.
What you mean, how hard to get a bonus?
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Yeah, well, betting the way we bet. It went dry. But yours was dry all the way up until you got that bonus.
Yeah, I would have had $3 and something left.
Yeah. Nice.
What, really? That's just dirty.
Come on. I just want one bonus.
That's what I was hoping for, is one bonus.
But if I get a bonus, do I have to cash out?
No, you can keep playing. You can keep playing.
Come on,
Do it.
Come on, Chica. We need 3 of the chili peppers. I don't think I said that, did I?
Yes, do it.
1.
Come on.
I think he's rooting harder for me than he is for
I
himself.
usually do, though.
Yes, you do. 3, 2.
All you need is one bonus to get you started.
Yeah. But I'm not going to get it, am I?
Come on,
One,
chili. Golly.
All right. Last
That's
spin.
it.
How about I make good on my last spin? Wow, not even a bonus. I mean, I barely got a line
No,
here.
and $100 is hard.
All right. Well, you're the lucky winner. How much did you win? $231.59. Here you go. This was Chica Bonita ×2 at the Hard Rock Tampa. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll do it again. We'll try another machine. All right, guys, we're on Lightning Dollar Link, Corrida de Toros. There's our progressive up there. Okay, bull. Wake up, be nice. I got my man here beside me, so you gotta show out for him. He's playing too. Be nice to me and him. You were nice to him earlier, so now be nice to me. We got $300 in. Start on 25 lines. 250. Oh, 3. That would have been a good way to start. We need 6 of these capes. The bull run of San Fermin. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. We need 3 of the bulls. Y'all look it up. Oh, 3. The bull run of San Fermin. Pretty gory. Come on. 2. Oh, he's showing some stuff. Oh, 2 bulls. Bull. 1. Oh,
Dang, he just went by.
I missed him. All right. You staying here or you moving?
No, we're moving. Go 2-1
Come on, bully. 3. You're on 100 lines. I like this bet, man. The only thing I don't like is they don't multiply. You know, when you get the numbers, you're like, oh, what denom am I on? See what kind of multipliers I'm getting. Come on, 2.
Oh my goodness.
Look at all that. Wilds, bulls, capes.
That is a lot of stuff.
I'll give that one. All right, my turn here. Let's go to 2 cent. 2 cent. Let's do some $2 and $4. Tens.
I do like that bet.
Is that $4? Yeah. 2, 4, 3.
Who do you appreciate?
1. But our money goes fast on $4 too. I mean, I guess. Bully. With your red eyes. All right, $10. One more. 3.
Go to 10 cents.
We're at Tampa Hard Rock today. We came to Tampa, what, about 4? Oh!
Oh, one more bull.
Continue story to be continued later. Let's get it right here,
I'm
babe.
gonna have to bet that story before we talk about it.
Okay. Oh, come on right here.
One of these days.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, we got a lot there. Yeah, went up top. No coins.
Okay.
2.
Case.
Oh! Alright. You need a word really bad right here. My word. I see that double mini, or I saw it. Come on, one more.
Save.
One more.
Well, I'm 25.
Yeah. All small. 1 cake will set you free. Because it's being stingy today.
Oh, we're still in the
Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Now we get a word.
It caked him again.
Yeah.
One more.
And
All right, that was your spin.
Go ahead.
All right, I'll do a backup, get that off the screen. Then I'll go here, here. We're kind of working our way up.
Come on.
Come on, one. Now we're back where we started. All right, last one.
Hit.
To the hat. That would have been sweet. 3. Come on, 3.
Come on.
Hit it for me, babe. Put some money in my pocket. Not a line hit? Wow.
Showed for a second.
Yeah. 3.
Oh,
Come on, 3. 3.
Come on, man. Come on, bonus us. Do it.
Okay, where are you going?
Go to 2 cents.
So back to my story. We have not been here since during COVID. Because when we came, they had the barriers up on the tables, and we were playing tables at the time. Playing blackjack, actually. But my casino math is not the best. The dealer always had to count it for me. I can't count fast enough. So we switched to slots. And we are having so much more fun.
All right, babe. We
3,
need a biggin.
1.
We need a biggin.
Yeah, we're down $100. How about a $6 bet? Oh, nothing there. 3. Come on, 3. One more. Aw.
Yep, 1 cent.
Come on. Ricky hit a hand pay on the bull today. That video will be coming out if it hasn't already. One more.
Oh, come on. We are so due for a bonus.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. What am I going to do here? I think I'm going to go to 50 lines. One more. It's 250. Okay. I hear the music now, babe.
Come on, babe.
You hear Olivia Newton. John. Come on, 2.
Hey.
Okay. Where you? Back to 2 cents. I need you to give me a big bonus so I can do some $10 bets.
Gotcha. We need to pull the corporate a little more.
Yeah. Classic bull right here. Yeah. Come on, you mean bull.
Where is our bonus?
Come on, right here. How about one big bet? Nothing. A little bit of salt. All right, where you going?
Let's go to back to 2 cents.
Come on, bull.
Where is our cakes? Wow, I mean tough.
Yep. How about a line hit?
Something.
Anything. Okay. Well, I tried, dear.
Stay on it. I'm going to do another 100.
You are? Okay. Y'all hear that?
Yeah, stay on it. I'm going to do another 100.
He's putting in 100.
But we're going to have to go a little bit bigger.
Bigger than $5?
No, I mean at least $5 or larger.
Okay. So
Go
where
ahead.
we going? Here? Anywhere? I don't think it's here. Let's try 3. Come on, 2. You go. Where do you want to go?
I'm staying here.
Okay. One more. Oh, mean. Come on. 1. Oh,
Yes.
nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Sometimes you just got to feel it.
Well, then you praise it. All right.
Yes.
Very good. That's a good one too. The miner's $100, y'all. So one more. Okay. $20 mini.
I need something in green.
Come on. Let's go. Fill it up. One more.
Oh, buddy.
One more. Okay. Well, do we get our money back?
I think we did.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure we did. Yes.
We got our money back. Yay! It's the lucky ducky. Or it was your lucky money from your pocket. Alright. That's a good one. $3.95.
We're at 439, so
Yeah.
what do we got in right now?
400.
Take it down to 400 and whatever spins you want to do. See if we get lucky and steal one.
Alright, I'm just gonna do it right here. You know what? I'll take that back. I'm gonna do it right here. Maybe we'll get the capes. I mean the bulls.
Let's steal one. Let's be thievery. Let's thievery it.
Ah. Okay. we got 2 spins left here.
Oh
Oh,
my goodness.
last one.
Do it, do it, do it.
What have I got here? Okay.
Hey, I still one.
Alright, I can do one here. Alright guys, this was Corrida de Toros. What a comeback we made on it. We got all of our money back. Nice. Thank you, Lucky Ricky. We're feeling lucky. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Have a good one.